Hi guys, welcome to this week's show. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and don't miss your chance on winning this ESS Dual Plus from Sense Innovation. It is the best sounding sound simulator on the market today, at least in my eyes. Not only can you win the ESS Dual Plus, but I'm throwing in this K5 3D printed blazer body. So subscribe to the channel and you can be the lucky winner. So we're going to raffle this off on the 27th of November, so it reaches you in time for Christmas. So now let's get back into today's video. This week I want to show you the new and improved 3D printed K5 blazer body. What's different, what's changed, and the main thing, it's a lot lighter. Running through the improvements between the old body and the new body, clearly the old body was double layered, it didn't move at all. It had a double skin, an inside and an outside, and that also goes through to the roof. The A pillar, the B pillar, the C pillar, everything was double layered, the bonnet, and even the entire nose. So that made this car very heavy, and when you put it onto the TRX4, you could clearly notice a big difference because it was a bit more top heavy. Comparing it now to its original leg stand body of the TRX4 Sport, the car did not perform as well. It was still very good, but it did not perform as well as with its original leg stand body. Now the improvement on the new K5 body is that it is a single layer. It behaves very much like a leg stand body, but this makes it a lot lighter. The second improvement are the wheel arches. These wheel arches on the original body, they were too small to accommodate the tires. So there was a lot of dremeling taking place to actually get the tires to run on full lock. Now on the new body you can clearly see that the wheel arches are a lot bigger to fit maybe even a 2.2 tire without a problem. And the next improvement is the space where the hubs fit. No, hang on, wait. I don't want to get American and South African mixed up here. Okay, so the mud guards, what's it in America? Oh, fenders. So, and let me start again. The body is actually too short, so the fenders don't line up with the axles, okay? So in the front you can see I kind of centered it, and in the rear the body is a bit off-center to the axle. So that means the back does not really have as much travel because it constantly hits the corner of the body. Whereby the new body has been scaled up and it's 3 centimeters bigger or 3 centimeters longer. It's also a little bit wider, but it makes the fenders fit perfectly over the tires on the TRX4. There you go. Okay, I hope I got that one right. Let me just show you quickly what I'm on about there. I'm going to take this off. So we have a better connection lip. Oopsie. Yeah, when it's glued together, it's going to look a bit better. I'm just holding it as good as I can. Yeah, come on. Okay. Still a bit of skimming needs to be done, but that's kind of what I'm talking about. The body is a bit bigger, and the wheel arches fit over the tires a little bit better as well. So that didn't work so well. Let me just dab a bit of super glue on here, glue these two pieces together, then we can place them onto the chassis and see how the fenders line up with the tires. So I've glued the body together temporarily, and let's place it over the body, over the chassis. And here you can see that the wheel arches are in line with the wheels. So that means the body is a little bit bigger so that it actually fits on the TRX4 chassis a little bit better. So one of the other features that this 3D printed body comes out with is windows. You can still take them out or Dremel them out with a Dremel. And the last feature is it actually comes with a grill, whereby the previous one I had to make the grill. This was not part of it, I had to come up with it myself. We still get bumpers for this car. They're not printed yet, but they will be printed for the giveaway. So this is the car that is going, or that is in the giveaway, or this is the body that is in the giveaway, not the car. It's only the body. And I don't just have one, I have printed two bodies. So this is going to be the body I'm going to play around with for the channel. We're going to give this one away, and this is the one that's going to go onto the car as the new body. We're going to play around with it, see how it holds up, how the thin 3D printed body holds up comparing to the double layered or double skinned previous body. Okay. So there we go, guys, a 3D printed blazer body for the TRX4. This is the one that you can win in combination with the ESS Dual Plus. So subscribe to your channel and don't miss your chance on winning this combo. So subscribe to the channel, guys, click the notification bell so you can see more footage on what we're going to do with this body and how it compares and holds up to its predecessor, the double skinned and double layered heavy version. Okay guys, that's it from me this week. Thanks for watching. Click that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.